Good morning. Welcome to today's math class. Today we shall learn about parallel lines and a transversal. Two lines are said to be parallel if a point cannot be found through which the two lines pass, and the lines extends indefinitely on both the directions. And a transversal is a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points. Here, line L intersects lines M and N at the points P and Q respectively. Therefore, line L is a transversal for lines M and N, and four angles are formed at each of the points P and Q. Four angles are formed at each point P and Q. Okay, let us name these angles. Let us discuss these angles. Okay, look here. Here angles are marked as numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 angles are formed here. Now, first pair of angles. That is first group of angles. That is exterior angles. Exterior means outside the parallel line. That is exterior. So, here the exterior angles are angle 1 and angle 2. Then angle 7 and angle 8 are exterior angles. First group of angles, exterior angles. Which are the exterior angles? Outside the parallel line. Angles are known as exterior angles. That is angle 1, angle 2 and here angle 7 and angle 8. Okay, next second group of angles, that is interior angles. Interior means inside the parallel lines, that is interior angles. Here the interior angles are 4, 3 and 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles, are known as interior angles. Second group of angles is interior angles. Second, interior angles. That is angle 3 and angle 4. Then here angle 5 and angle 6. Interior angles. Okay. Then the third group of angles. Here the third group of angles are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay. So, which are the alternate angles here? Interior. Interior angles are 3, 4, 5, 6. Alternate means, just opposite of this transversal. So, here the alternate interior angles are 4 and 6. Angle 4 and 6 are alternate interior angles. Angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 are one pair of alternate interior angles. Then the other pair of alternate interior angles are 3 and 5. Angle 3 and 5. Okay, so two pairs of alternate interior angles, 4 and 6, then 3 and 5. The same way, here we have alternate exterior angles also. Alternate exterior angles. So, which are the alternate exterior angles? Yes, angle 1 and angle 7. Exterior, alternate exterior angles are angle 1 and angle 7. Then angle 2 and angle 8. are the alternate exterior angles. Okay. Then next group of angles are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Next group of angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. They are angle 4 and angle 5. Same side of the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. They are angle 4 and angle 5. The next angle 3 and angle 6. Okay, clear? Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Now, one more group is here. What is that? Yes, it is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding means what? Yes, same position. Okay, they formed in the same position. They are called corresponding angles. So, which are the corresponding angles here? Yes, angle 1 and 5. This is a pair of corresponding angle 1 and 5. Then, angle 4 and 8 are another pair of corresponding angles. 4 and 8. Okay. Then here, the corresponding angles are 2 and 6. 2 and 6 are one pair of corresponding angle, like 3 and 7 are another pair. 3 and 7, angle 3 and 7 are another pair of corresponding angles. Corresponding means the same position. Okay. So these are the pairs of angles formed when a transversal intersects two parallel lines. Okay, clear? Which are the angles? Exterior angles, interior angles, corresponding angles, then alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, clear? Yes. Next, some important axioms. Okay, first one, corresponding angles axiom. Corresponding angles axiom. It says that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. Clear? Yes. Then this axiom has a converse also. Converse means just reverse. Okay. What is it? Yes. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. That is the converse. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Clear? Yes. Now second axiom. Alternate angles axiom. We simply use the word alternate angles for alternate interior angles. Okay, we can use alternate angles for alternate interior angles. Simply we use alternate angles. Okay, so second axiom is alternate angles axiom. That is, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. Each pair of alternate interior angles is equal when a transversal intersects two parallel lines. Clear? That is alternate interior angles axiom. Then converse of this axiom. What is it? Yes, it is if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. Clear? If the alternate interior angles are equal, any one pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then we can say the two lines are parallel to each other. Clear? Yes, that is the converse. Now the third axiom, that is interior angles axiom. That means interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay. Yes. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. It is supplementary, not equal. Each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Supplementary means what? 180 degree. The sum of the two angles is 180 degree. That is interior angles axiom. Sum of the two interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Now the converse says that if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Clear? If the two angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree, then we can say that the two lines are parallel. Clear? These are the three important axioms. Okay, so study these axioms. Using these axioms, we have to solve. We have to solve many questions from your textbook. Okay. Now, in this chapter, we have two more important properties. That is, angle sum property and exterior angle property. Angle sum property and exterior angle property. Already you have learned these two properties in your earlier classes. You have studied through activities these properties. Isn't it? Okay. Let us prove this statement using axioms and theorems related to parallel lines. First one, angle sum property of a triangle. Let us prove this. Okay, so we are given a triangle PQR, and we need to prove the statement that is sum of the three angles equal to 180 degree. That is these three angles. So let us name these angles as angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So we need to prove this angles equal to 180 degree. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Okay. So let us draw a line. A line XY parallel to QR through P. Okay, let us draw a line XPY parallel to QR. Just draw a line. XPY parallel to QR. So these two lines are parallel to each other. XY and QR are parallel lines. Then PQ and PR are true transversals. PQ and PR are two transversals. Okay. Now, XPY is a line. XPY is a line. Here the two angles are, the two angles formed here are, these two are the two angles formed, newly formed angles through this line, that is angle 4. Let us name this as angle 4 and angle 5. And this is a line, XPY is a line, therefore sum of these three angles is a linear pair, isn't it? This is a linear pair. A line, straight line, form the angle linear pair. Okay, so sum of these three angles, that is angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree, linear pair axiom. Okay, now if the line XY parallel to QR, if XY parallel to QR and PQ and PR are two transversals, then the angles form, then the corresponding alternate interior angles are equal. So this is the alternate interior angles. If two lines are parallel, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. Axiom. Okay, so according to the axiom, angle 4 equal to angle 2. Then angle 5 equal to angle 3. Both angles are equal. Angle 4 and angle 2 are equal. Angle 5 and angle 3 are equal. Now, substituting the value of angle 4 equal to angle 2 in this equation, that is this linear pair equation, substituting the value of angle 4 and angle 5. So this become angle 4. Instead of angle 4, we have to put angle 2. Instead of this 4, we put angle 2. Then next angle, angle 1 itself. Then the third angle, angle 5. So instead of this angle 5, put angle 3 equal to linear pair 180 degree. Equal to 180 degree. Now what is this? Look at this. Angle 2, angle 1, angle 3. What is this? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. It is the three angles. Sum of the three angles. Let us arrange this as angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Hence proved. Clear? So this is the angle sum property of a triangle. Now the last property, that is exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property? Yes. Exterior angle property says that what is exterior angle property? What is it? If a side of a triangle is produced, if any side, no problem. If this property says that if a side of a triangle is produced, then the angle so formed is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. These three angles are called interior angles. So, exterior angle property says that if a side of a triangle is produced, then the angle so formed is called exterior angle. That exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, so this is these two angles. is 1 and 2 and this angle is 3. So angle 3 equal to, exterior angle 3 equal to sum of the two interior opposite angle. Okay, this is opposite to this side, this angle. So angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 3 equal to, exterior angle equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, clear? That is exterior angle property. So using these properties, we have to solve the questions. Okay, in your textbook. That we will discuss in the online class. Okay, that's all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.